Welcome to this lesson on dividing a whole number by a fraction. Today, we'll go through the step-by-step process of dividing 18 by January 3rd. Step 1 is to rewrite the division of a whole number by a fraction as a multiplication problem. This involves finding the reciprocal of the fraction. In this step, the reciprocal of 1/3 is found by swapping the numerator and the denominator, which gives us a reciprocal of 3. Now, we rewrite the original problem as 18 times 3. This is an equivalent expression to 18 divided by January 3rd. Next, we'll calculate the result of this multiplication. The simple way to do this is multiply 18 and 3 to get 54. So dividing 18 by 1/3 results in 54. Let's visualize this using a different approach. Imagine you have 18 oranges, and you want to put them into groups, each containing 1/3 of an orange. Note that every whole orange would make 3 groups of 1/3 orange. This visualization reinforces the idea that dividing a number by a fraction involves finding out how many fraction size groups are in the whole number.